Black cockies. Red tails up there. 5,000 kilometres, 4.5 days we're here on the Fitzroy River.
You've opened the account.
Open the account with a mongrel caddy.
Fucking pussycat.
Addy's first fish for the trip. So, yeah, not a barra, but it's a start. We're on, boys! Woo.
Yeah, Robbie. From the net.
Don't answer. Barra me up! Just watch your feet. He's in his gills too, so
No.
he ain't going. But his size, he's a keeper anyway.
I'll give you 64.
64. That one's going in the fry pan, boys. Righto, we're getting serious now. I've got the boy out. Hey, mate. Yep. So, I've told him, meter is straight up. No mucking around with little ones. Meter me up straight up, boy, yeah? Yep. Little monitor. Sneaky little bugger. Das and Addy hooked up, would have been like in the 90s for sure. Seen it jump out the water and everything, jumped out 3 times and then spat the bloody lure. Oh jeez, it was a good fish.
I need to rub it in.
Don't worry about rubbing it in, mate. It's better than not hooking them up at all, eh, Das? Just got to get them to stick. At least they're chewing. There's the barramundi from today, all cubed up, ready to go. In that red curry barramundi, going to be awesome.
And I'll be scared of it the same method.
No, he's going to crack the shit and eat you.
Yep.
Bloody beautiful.
Yummy.
Get a bit of rice too, mate. Alright.
Alright. Oh, it's hot. That's cool. Oh,
Finish!
oh, listen to the quacker. Little mud gecko.
Mom, let's go, let's go.
Freshy, yeah?
Yeah,
Underneath, don't feel how soft it is. Where's Luke?
under his belly.
Did you see it?
Who caught him, you, Finn?
Yeah. I think it's a male. Oh, I'm so scared.
Careful, Renee.
Oh, I kicked the stick.
He can flick his neck.
Finn's the only one here dumb enough.
He'll grab ya. What's wrong with you, woman? Addy's hooked on to a bloody stonker. He's a ripper too, mate. Just nice and slow, Ad. Woohoo, Val.
He's a good one.
Yeah, he's alright. He'd be close to 80, I reckon. Just got him off those snags right over there.
That's what we came for.
That's it.
Put him on the tape and see.
Yeah, we'll measure him up. And he is... He's 80.
Oh, 79. Come on.
80 on the knocker, but 80, that's good. So it's your call, man.
Keeping him.
Keeping him.
Happy man.
Happy man, I bet you are.
Okay, to do a drive for you?
Yeah, 5,000 Ks for that.
Put him in?
Yeah, it's been slow, it's been super slow. Just cold nights, no wet. Dad got a, what did Dad get? A 740 this morning.
Here they come too.
Yeah, they come. They must have seen us.
Rightio, he's picked up a 70, what was it, Bob?
72.
72.
Yep.
Barra. So he's happy with that. Got something there. Hasn't come to the surface yet, whatever it is. The bloody croc.
I'll take a photo because I want Iris to see that I caught him.
He's caught a crocker right there. It'll most probably pull out the way it's going.
You got him?
Yeah. Don't make sure it doesn't flick out and hit it.
Yay, good score. Just picked that up.
That didn't work out apparently.
Not getting any fish, but I'm finding lures. How you going, Darth? Hey!
It's gone now.
What have you caught? Hey, what have you caught?
What?
How many?
Two.
2 brim. Oh, packed up camp this morning. We had 4 nights on the river and went into town. Had to get the old man's trailer welded. The leaf hanger ripped off the bottom of the trailer, so we got that sorted. We've got more food, and now we're just coming to another spot on the river, and I'm going to set up for another 4 nights. So yeah, got to get this boat off, set the camper up, and into the Barra again. Camp's all set up, got the panels out, solar panels. The old boy's gearing his boat up. We just pulled up for a minute. What was that, Addy?
Yeah, awesome. That's my favourite.
Just off that pandanus there. Adam had an awesome strike, and about 2 seconds of excitement before cut the braid on the rocks down there.
Not even 2
So we've retied him up while I was retying the leader back on. Just probably about, I don't know, 30-40 feet past that pandanus. Barra's jumping out the water with a lure in its mouth trying to throw the lure.
Right on and jump.
Hopefully in a day or two we might pick that lure back up, but
It's my favourite one too. The Elf Stewart Strawberry Sundae.
he first bust off and he's not happy. Here come the old fellas, Dad and Bob. How'd you go? No good. Bloody water temperature. Got a fire going on the sandbar, caught some mullet. Got 3 rods out off the sandbar at night. See if we can snag a barrow this way. Plenty of buffing going on, so they're feeding. About time. I don't think he's not real big. No, it's not a big one. Nah, he's got to go back.
Nice red oil, isn't it?
Spicy little bugger. Little puppy.
That's second one. Barra?
Yeah. That's Barra. Away from his bloody bait, and these little buggers. No? Righty.
Right, I'll get the forward. You right with the torch?
Little bugger. Daddy. Just slow, mate. Oh no, it's a jack.
Oh.
Mangrove jack. Go over there. Watch your line, watch your line. Oh, Ad. Dude.
We're gonna keep it?
Oh yeah.
No.
Bloody.
That one, that old scrub.
Jack me up. Watch the spice. These are stonker too, mate. These are ripper bloody mangrove jack. Cute tin ass.
Tin ass, all in the.
He's tailing me out big time, this kid.
It's all in the just letting the lure flow.
He's not going back. He's going in the fry pan, that one.
Doing dinner.
You winning there, Rex Hunt?
Having a crack, going alright. She's a beautiful fish.
Oh, yeah. Magnificent fish, mate. Going on, kids?
Nothing.
Nothing much.
Oh, no. Thank you, sir.
Kids thought it was a good idea to stay up till 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock.
Oh.
Alright, you found it.
Renee found it.
Oh, good on you, Renee.
This got busted off yesterday by a barra. We seen the barra jumping out of the water with it in its mouth,
Showing off.
trying to throw it.
Thank you very much. Leader and all.
And we found it basically exactly where it busted you too. So it's drifted down a little bit.
That's awesome. Look where it come off right at the braid, mate.
It must have hit that rock on that knot or something.
Yeah, like the braid's still in there. It snapped it. It hasn't just pulled it.
Yeah.
Wicked.
Even Stephen.
It's me Alf Stewart strawberry sundae, mate.
Flamin', what is it? Flamin' pink.
Flaming pink.
There it is there. It looks about a 550, maybe more, 600. Nice fish, Dave. Put that one out. Going to release it now. It's very nice fish.
Better put my thing on.
Yep. Get it going in the water again. Getting it going in the water again so it moves around. Getting it going so it's off. And there it goes. There he goes. Off to be caught by somebody else.
Ferret! He just changed up the lures.
We were just talking about it too. I said I hope I see a fish jump out of the water. I'll learn its mouth.
Come on. Get him away from them snags, mate. There's your leader. Whee! He's only a little pup, but he's alright, isn't he?
I think he might be just size.
Just size? We'll measure him up.
Come on, jump again.
Yeah, I want him to jump again. He'll throw the hook on you.
Majestic.
Looks majestic. Ooh.
Leader.
You were sweating you weren't going to get one, weren't you, boy?
Mm.
It's a nice fish.
Yes.
Alright, just careful. He's going to be thrushes. Get those. Yeah, get that lure out the road before. There's out. So, oh, how's that? It just fell out.
58.
58. What do you want to do?
I want to keep it.
You want to keep him?
Dinner.
Din-dins? Give us a look at him, boy.
Look at the smile, mate. That's
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, take the gripper out of him. Well done, kid. Ferret, you just done.
Mate.
Alright, you want to give us a look at that secret lure or what?
Slime. Bugger.
It's the new improved banana. It's
In the water.
the banana ghost. And it's been on for how long? About
20 seconds.
about 20 seconds.
I reckon.
Dad and Bobby just caught a small one. Well, me and Darcy have been sitting here for probably nearly an hour bait fishing. I cooked a damper in the just on the edge of the fire there. I've taken it back up to camp and gone for 5 minutes. Darcy's rod screams off. Addie pulled it in. We've measured it. It's 56, but we're going to let it go. Yeah, it's ready to go. There it goes. Look. Darcy's on again. Good fish, mate.
Yeah, big one.
Big one, is he?
Yeah.
Hopefully he doesn't come flying in to steal it.
70s, I reckon.
It's in the 70s, you reckon?
70s or 80s.
Oh, he looks bigger. Oh, he's a good one.
Yeah, he's a beauty, does.
He is.
71.
Oh no, he's about 73, mate.
What?
73. Beauty, isn't he? Put up a good fight, didn't he, bud?
Yeah.
Das is on again. Another barra, but a little one. Oh, he's only. Oh,
Yeah, small.
drag him up. Yeah, he's under. That one, he'll go back. Number 3 for the night, boy. Hey?
Yep.
I haven't even had a touch on my rod. You're in the lucky spot.
Well, you got 2 the other night.
Let him go. Gotta be careful, we've seen a salty lurking around here before. So don't go too deep, alright?
Work it up to the side again.
Going right, he's rolling to the side. There he goes. He's gone.
He's stuck there.
No, he's going. Nah, they've had a really shit wet season, and the water's gone cold now. Yeah. 4.5 metre crocs around here somewhere.
She's just distracting us.
He was in here. There's his slide. Look at his slide up there on the bank. Been going right up there. Big boy. Saw him yesterday. Yeah, 4.5 metres. He's bloody huge. The barra, it's a small one.
Ah.
It's only a pup. Well, that barra jump out.
Yeah.
See it? There again, look.
Shit. Massive.
The horse. Got, I don't know, he's probably about 400 or something. Do you want to get a photo, Lon?
Oh, it's all good.
Still jumping that fish over there. There's a barra free jumping over there. I'll put him back. Tell your mum we're looking for her. So I just spoke to me dad. The barra that we saw free jumping over on that snag over there got his lure in its mouth. Hooked a bloody good one and busted him off in the sticks there, so obviously trying to throw that lure out of its mouth. Last night on the river. Got the fire going. I'm gonna just do some live baiting for the last time. Oh no, it's a saw shark. Saw shark. Val. Geez, he's a good one, this one.
Big size, isn't he?
Yeah, he's about 5, 6 foot.
Just watch that line don't flick out if it comes out.
Sword.
He's a good sized one, look at him.
That'd be interesting getting that off him.
Oh, you have to cut it.
Just all around you.
Yeah. Yeah, righto. Get the... There we go. Off you go, big fella.
He knows the way out.
Wait, Mum didn't get a picture.
That's the story.
Oh, another one. Bloody hell.
Yep.
Yeah. Another good one, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think it's the same one.
No, I think it's a little bit smaller than your one. There we
There it goes, crack of the whip. Look at the old floppy dorsal fin, haven't they?
Yeah.